Hi. Right now I am standing on my balcony and watching some pigeons are eating food on the rooftop of my next building. Actually, the first step to learn any language start with listening. If you want to learn English, you need to hear English every day. Listen as much as possible and then try to speak about your surroundings in simple words. For example, I can say the pigeons are eating, they are flying, the weather is nice today. So every day small sentences can build your confidence step by step. So keep listening, keep observing and keep speaking.